So in this section, we are going to look at how to actually enter a live class. So if we want to enter a live class that is ongoing, what happens is that, let's say there's a live international tax class, I can just click international tax and all the meetings, you see, if there's a live meeting, it will be displayed in the classroom. So currently, I think there's a live meeting about to go on, right? Live session started, double taxation, click join. So you can just click this and just join the meeting. So I can also go to meetings live. There's a live meeting and I just click join live and then I joined the meeting. So it will take me directly. But because we are on the same Zoom app, it won't come. But you see, it opens the Zoom app. You see, join new meeting. Yes. So it just opens the Zoom app directly for you to join the meeting. So this is how you join a meeting if a live session is coming. But however, see, this also sent you a message in your email. So you see that in your email, you've got a notification that there's a live meeting about to go on. The same way, if you have the mobile app, you will get a notification telling you that there's a live meeting about to go on, right? So you see it from different angles. You see it from different angles. Let me go back to where we have recordings, right? So live meetings. So you see live now. When you come to your dashboard after classrooms, you see live meetings, right? Live now. This is live now. You can click and click join live. You can see various activities going on when it started. You can also go to recordings. Then you click what? Watch recording. If the recording is available, then it will play for you. All right. So this is how you join classes, live classes. All right. But if the class is recorded already, once it's uploaded, you can just go to my courses and enter the course dashboard. So you can just click start learning. And then you see if this is the video, I can just go to the video and just click watch recording and you see the video will start playing, right? So that's it. So the video is playing. So the passcode for the meeting room, this is the meeting passcode. I can just copy the meeting passcode and just paste it and then I can watch the recording. See? Then the recording will start playing. Okay, so there's the recording which I started playing. I can even open it in full screen and you see the video has started playing. You can pause it. You can go to the next one. If there's a quiz, you can click the quiz and go and solve the quiz. Here is the same thing I taught you. You can also enter the classroom through here. The meeting is live and going. You can see that this is still live. So far as the meeting is going on, let's say you are in a hurry, you missed class, you didn't join early, you come, you can check whether still the lecture is going on. You see that it's still live because the lecturer has not ended the class. All right. So that is how this also goes. I believe the interface is simple and this is straightforward.